Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Got a unboxing here for a horse bow, an Oakridge Palomino, 53 inches, 35 pounds. So we'll just crack it open and see what it looks like. Okay, let's slide it out. Okay, so that's the bow. Okay, this is everything strung up. It's actually quite a lot of weight, even though it's only 35 pounds. It takes a fair bit of effort to string it. Quite a nice looking bow. I'll hopefully get some videos up, doing a few test shots in the coming videos. We'll see how it goes. I've been shooting compound for a long time, but this is my first horse bow, so quite an interesting change. This bow has quite a lot of good reviews, so it should be quite nice. Again, we will see. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Hope you find that useful. Thanks for